to a new video again. Today, I got Vixie, but I haven't opened her yet, so, I'm really excited to get her again, so, don't worry, I'm not trying to brag or anything. Let's go ahead and open her. Okay, I got the package, it's right here, and, we're gonna open it. And here's my handy dandy scissors. Okay, let's open her. Okay. Okay, opened it, and I'm gonna let you guys see what she looks like. Do you see it? Okay, nothing's in there. I'm not gonna show you the other side because it has my address. Okay, where do I cut? Let's see. I think I'm gonna cut. Okay. Man, they packaged it really good. Whew, it's hard. I don't see her just yet. Do you guys see her? Oh, I can see her tail. I'm sweating now. Oh, I see her. You guys see her? And there she is. Sorry, I'm real excited right now. And it comes in this little bag too. She's so cute. Oh. Sorry guys, I'm really excited to have this LPS box again. Oh, it smells really plasticky. Okay, here she is. Oh, she is so cute. She's really bobbly too. I mean, she has like a small green mark right there, so. And you guys, her name is Vixie, the fox. And, so yeah, and I got her outfit too. And I'm gonna, here we go. Oh, isn't she cute? I mean, her eye right here, her right here is a little messed up, but that's okay. That's okay. I don't really care because I got her on eBay for for $22, and here's her necklace. I'm not gonna put her on her right now because yeah. There we go. And I'm gonna get Vixie's boyfriend. There we go, and here's her boyfriend. This is Jacob, and their boyfriend or girlfriend. Well, I hope you guys like Vixie, and comment down below if you have her too. And I'm not trying to brag or any shape or form, and I'm just really excited to get her. I used to have Vixie, but I sold her on eBay, but now I got her back. Oh, I love this LPS box. I hope you guys enjoy this video, so bye! Have a good day or night. Come on, you guys. Vixie. Bye, you guys.